Goan Association in New Yorkan सेंट फ्रांसिस झेवियराचे फेस्त व्हडा उमेदीन मनयले. तशेंच नातलांचे सणाचो उत्सव न्यूयॉर्कान सुरू जालो. आमचे कांय गोंयचे भाव भयणींनी आमकां न्यूयॉर्कांतल्यान धाडिल्ल्यो व्हिडिओ पळोवया.
Really brings us together. We celebrate the patron saint of Goa, which is Saint Francis Xavier, and this we do by bringing the whole community together. It's an event we look forward to. We put the Christmas spirit into the feast and collaborate both to make it a fun event for the kids with Santa coming and the gifts and the usual stuff. And it's also very special to us because Saint Francis Xavier is our patron saint, and now we have been doing this for many years. We celebrated 53 years of the Goan Association in New York, so we have pretty much been doing this social, this togetherness, this coming together for the last 53 years. The Goan community is a small group here, so we try to interact, have relationships. We reach out to each other, we help each other, and we try to do something for the community both in New York and in Goa. In Goa, we have tried to help the orphanages and the home for the aged. Here we reach out and help families who are in need.